Oh my god, look, it's turned on again.
Man, I was not that funny.
Listen! Right. Listen! If you're going to Edinburgh, it's that way! If you're going to Dundee, that way! Right! I'm trying to give you directions! Listen to me!
Oh dear.
It's on.
Uh-huh.
No. Oh, look, the tugboat! That's a little tugboat. It's coming to help it. No, the tugboats help you push the boat, so it must be going to Edinburgh! I told you so! Like, there's a plane.
Why? Like, there's a boat reversing over there.
You must be going to Edinburgh Airport!
I think he's about to hit that. It looks like he's reversing and he's probably going to end up, like, hitting it.
Are you going to Edinburgh Airport?
Okay.
Deefying! Everyone's deefying me.